सर यूथ अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट, मोदी जी की तीसरी बार युवक अभी भी बेरोजगार. Sir, when we speak about youth unemployment, sir, look what unemployment has done to this country. This is the perfect example. Sir, they've gone mad. This is what unemployment has done, sir. Sir, मोदी जी की तीसरी बार युवक अभी भी बेरोजगार.
एक मिनट, आप जैसे सुन के आए हैं, ऐसे भी ये लोग भी सुन के आए हैं, तो रेस्पेक्ट ईच अदर. तो आप थोड़ा सा इस भाषा का देखो. प्लीज,
मोदी जी की तीसरी बार,
प्लीज मोदी जी की तीसरी बार, आप लोग बैठे. अभिषेक जी प्लीज कंटिन्यू. आप
मोदी जी की तीसरी बार युवक अभी भी बेरोजगार. Sir, among graduates, it was 13% in 22-23. Among postgraduates and above, it was 12.1% in 22-23. The Skill India mission aimed to train 400 million people by 2022, but only 14 million received training by 2024. The target still remains a distant dream. The Honorable Finance Minister announced 2 lakh crore package for 5 schemes on job and skilling of 4 crore 10 lakh youth. BJP had previously promised 2 crore jobs a year. They are nowhere close to meeting the target, and now they are setting unrealistic targets. These young people don't want to listen to budget speeches. The young people of this country, the young India, doesn't want to listen to your rhetoric, doesn't want to listen to your empty promises, doesn't want to listen to your 90-minute long budget speeches. They want jobs, J-O-B-S. So women unemployment rate for women living in urban India soared to 22.7%. Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao. But they forgot to mention about Beti ko Naukri Dilao. On the other hand, you see what's happening in Bengal. Kanya Shri scholarship scheme touched the lives of 85 lakh girls and won the UN Public Service Award.
25 lakh fake job cards in Manrega. Funds meant for people at the grassroots have been looted by the carders. 100 crore midday meal fraud. 100 crore midday meal fraud. Ration mafia thriving in the state on grassroots level. Ayushman Bharat was blocked and denied health care the poor living in the grassroots. 43% tap water coverage in Bengal as opposed to 74% national average. 74% national average. Bengal is at 43%. That's the average. Sir, important. Capital formation crashed from 6.7% in 2010 to 2.9% in the recent years. No jobs, no factories, no vision. That's Bengal for you, sir. Industrial powerhouse. Bengal was industrial powerhouse. 24% share when in 1947 during independence Bengal had 24% share in manufacturing. Today it has 3.5% share. Bengal's per capita income growth lags behind the national average. For the last 20 years, per capita income of Bengal lags behind the national average for last 20 years. It's ranked 23rd. In 21-22, it was 23rd among all states of India. Sir, Trinamool Congress has institutionalized corruption, gutted institutions, and Trinamool has become a byword for exploitation. Trinamool has become a byword for exploitation, sir. Now, can I then suggest, because budget, Bengal विरोधी budget बोला गया, मैं क्या पूछना चाहती हूँ अभी, तृणमूल विरोधी टीएमसी हो गया है क्या? तृणमूल विरोधी टीएमसी है, तृणमूल जनता विरोधी है। अरे Sir, I'm coming to the last few things, sir. You accuse me politically. Sir, MSME sector, sir, is ignored and not in good health is an allegation which very many members, Dharamveer Gandhi mentioned it, Benny Behannan mentioned it, Pradyut Bordoloi mentioned it, that MSME sector has been ignored. I want to say, sir, in this budget itself, we have mentioned MSME, sir, is the backbone of Indian economy. It is among the foremost engines of driving the Indian economy. We have increased, MSMEs are providing employment to over 25 crore people during the same period. So we have increased their classification so that they can benefit both from being in the MSME and also raising more funds. So micro enterprises currently is 1, revised is 2.5. Micro enterprises current turnover is 5, we've revised it to 10. Small enterprises, current is 10 investment, 10 crore. Now we've revised it to 25, and current turnover is at 50, we've revised it to 100. Similarly, for medium enterprises, sir, we have revised it from 50 to 125, and for turnover, 250 to 500. Credit guarantee cover will be enhanced from 5 crore to 10 crore, leading to additional credit of 1.5 lakh crore in the next 5 years. Customized credit card is being given 5 lakh limit for micro enterprises registered in Udyam portal. Sir, I'll come to this point of KCC, which is being provided to farmers. Many honorable members thought if I increase the loan capital, meaning ceiling, from 3 lakhs to 5 lakh, won't it become a reason why the farmers will be more indebted, more getting into debt? I want to highlight the fact, sir. Today, this amount 3 lakh being increased for 5 lakh is purely done because otherwise they'll fall a prey to the middlemen who charge huge amounts. And this amount through KCC is more guaranteed by the government, and they don't need to give any collateral, and also for timely servicing they get interest subvention, and therefore it is better that they borrow through the bank rather than be left alone to borrow from the middleman. That is the intention with which we brought in the KCC. Nearly 8 crore farmers, sir, will be benefiting from this short-term lending, which will begin from 1st April 25-26.